I've made a plant schedule in gCADPlus using the automated tool, and it puts the list of botanical names, common names, and because I've used the custom schedule, I can have the type in what is the fourth column here. But you might want to organize things so that different types of plants are separated. One way that can be done very easily is go to gCADPlus, drop down and extract a plant schedule. And I've been rehearsing this, and I've got one called GUS5. It throws out a CSV file which can be read directly in, directly in Excel. So here's the list that we've just exported, still not sorted according to type. But we can use what's called a drop list or a custom list. Large trees, small trees, shrubs and so on. That's the order that we want them in, and I've made what's called a custom list. So if we now grab hold of this zone here and we say we're going to go to data and to sort, we want to sort by type, and we come over here to the third column, we say we're going to do it by a custom list. So this group here is what I grabbed from that list. So we're going to say OK, and what we hope is that Acacia cognata, which is a very small ground cover type plant, will disappear from that list and be put in fact down near the end, but everything else will be in order, and we can say OK. So there, let's click away. There we have the trees, shrubs, grasses, climbers and so on. So that can simply be highlighted and then copied and put into back into gCADPlus. The way I do it is to go to my favorite text image editor, if and view, and I will paste it. First I need to highlight it and copy, go to my image editor, edit and paste, and there we have it. That is what we can then put into gCADPlus. So let's do it. File and save as. We'll put it on the desktop, clipboard 01, and now I'll go back to gCADPlus and we'll take a look at one of our layout sheets, and we'll say format, images, we'll add one, we'll go to the desktop and change our files of type, put some details there, do it by date, clipboard 01, and then we can insert it in the usual way. So it's just a new image going in here, and if we zoom in a little, there's our, this third column, there's our tall tree, large shrubs and so on. So you can of course use your Excel skills and add extra lines, blank lines, and sort things out and present however you want.